Okay guys, now we are doing questions 16 to 20. Complete the table below. So we have table completion. Write one word only for each answer. Table completion with one word only. Have they mentioned any number? So there is no number, right? It's only word and you will write that properly. New staff responsibilities. Very simple. On the left side, they have written the names of staff. And on the right side, they have written responsibilities. कौन क्या करेगा? हंडिया किसने पकानी है, रोटियां किसने बनानी है, रायता कौन बनाएगा, ये कौन करेगा, वो कौन करेगा, and all that, right? So name and responsibilities. First name is Jenny Reed. Now you don't need to read the names because they will read the names very, very clearly. So this hand, pointing finger should go on with names so that you know. If, for example, in the audio they say Saeed Akhtar, so your this finger is going to be there at Saeed Akhtar, and this hand is going to go on, right? So first name is Jenny Reed. Buying dash for the center. Underline the word buying. For buying, what are the other synonyms? Purchasing, acquiring, getting, right? Buying, yeah. I mean, whatever say she's going to purchase, she's going to buy, or she will acquire that for the center and all that. So Jenny is going to buy something. Listen carefully. What is it that she is going to buy for the center? She's going to buy for the center. Okay, let's see.
Okay, that's enough on the new layout. We'll walk around in a moment, but before we do, something about the people who are here to help you. Of course, all the staff will do their best to answer your questions, but now we're each going to specialise in certain areas. So, if you ask a staff member about something and they don't think they can help you enough, they'll direct you to our specialist. Jenny Reed is the person to see if there are any films you'd like us to stock, as she's taken over responsibility for purchasing those. I'd better warn you that our budget is limited, so I'm afraid we can't promise to buy everything you ask for.
So, not film, huh? Films. Okay, purchasing those. For films, they use the word those. This is called referencing. They refer to one word and then they use another word for that. Those. Purchasing those means purchasing films. For example, in case if you need movies, Jenny will be there to purchase them. Them means movies. Going back to movies. Okay, I'll play this one again.
Okay, that's enough on the new layout. We'll walk around in a moment, but before we do, certain areas. So, if you ask a staff member about something and they don't think they can help you enough, they'll direct you to our specialist. Jenny Reed.
Now from here it started. Before that all ba 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 ba. When it said Jenny Reed, now you're alert. This finger told you, now the answer is going to come.
Is the person to see if there are any films you'd like us to stock, as she's taken over responsibility for purchasing those.
She's taken over the responsibility for purchasing those. So if you need any films, so the answer is films, right? Not film. Film वो दूसरी होती है, बड़ी वड्डी film है. Yeah, you know some people are film. Okay, question number 17. Fill, whatever the second name is, fill. Help with writing dash for courses. Now writing something for courses. Fill is going to help with writing, maybe writing assignment for courses, writing homework, writing feedback, writing something. Let's see what that is.
Phil Penshurst can help you to improve your writing if you need to produce reports for your course. You can book a half-hour session with Phil.
If you need to produce reports, okay, Phil, help with writing reports is the answer. I play this part again.
Penshurst can help you to improve your writing if you need to produce reports for...
Improve your writing if you need to produce reports. So writing reports, right? There was a gap. If you need to produce report, he will help you with writing. If you need to produce essays, answer is essays. Writing, if you need to produce stories, answer is stories. Just you can write this down, if you need to produce. Alright guys, Tom, information on topics related to dash. Very simple. Topics related to. For example, topics related to politics. So they'll say the topics which are related to topics, or he will help you with the topics such as politics. Right? Simple.
Okay, that's enough. I must mention Tom Salisbury. Many people are interested in doing research or just reading about this region. The people, occupations, changes over the years and so on. Tom is a specialist in this particular field, so if you want any help, he can point you in the right direction. We've got a large collection of relevant documents, from old maps to studies of the wildlife.
No, answer came in the first part of the audio, not research. Listen again. Let's just listen to it again.
I must mention Tom Salisbury. Many people are interested in doing research or just reading about this region.
About this region. Many people are interested in doing research and about this region. Information on topics related to the region. Listen on.
The people, occupations, changes
now, people,
over the years and so on.
These are all about region. People, occupation. So the right answer is region. Okay? It came in the first part and then explanation. Sometimes when you miss the answer, then you'll never catch it. Because the first part you will not pay attention, and usually you forget the first part, and then at the end you will write any wrong answer. Okay, question number 19. Saeed Akhtar, finding a dash, underline finding, searching, looking for, anything like that. So Saeed Akhtar will help you, his responsibility.
We have a new member of staff, Saeed Akhtar. I'm sure you'll meet him soon and will find him very helpful. If you're unemployed and want some advice on the practical aspects of looking for a job, Saeed is the person to talk to. He's also written a very useful book on the subject, which of course we've got on our shelves.
All right, finding a job. Yeah, answer is going to be job. I just want you to wait for the end of the audio, because they give a trap also. As I said, he's written a very good book on the subject. So some of you will see finding a book, right? So please don't yell your answers when the audio stops. Then I ask you the answer, then tell me the answer. Because I want you to listen to everything in the audio, and sometimes at a point you need to change your answer. Sometimes you write job first and then you say they mentioned book also, you will change your answer. So I want to check your full response on it, okay? So please never yell the answers as the answer comes in the audio. Next we have Shilpa. Not Shilpa Shetty, huh? Shilpa. Help with dash. Now Shilpa is going to help with something. Let's see what that is.
Many of you will know Shilpa Desai, who's been working here for about 5 years. Shilpa now has the additional responsibility of giving information and advice on anything to do with housing, such as finding out what's available or whether you're eligible for financial help.
No, housing. Yeah, I'll play it again. Housing. Listen.
Many of you will know Shilpa Desai, who's been working here for about 5 years. Shilpa now has the additional responsibility of giving information and advice on anything to do with
housing. Information and advice. For help, they use the word information and advice. Okay? Anything to do with housing. Is this clear? Yeah? All right. Good.